Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I got another exciting video for you today. A new build on a Denali Ultimate 2500 GMC. This is for a customer named David, and this has been a 4-month process. Unfortunately, it's been one of those that have had issues that we've had to overcome. You're going to learn about some of the issues in this video. We originally ordered a 6.5-inch BDS coilover conversion kit. That's a first for the channel we're going to be doing today on this truck. Originally, we had sold him some JTX forged wheels. It has been, it's been a doozy getting the wheels. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know how much of it I'm gonna share with you, but we're not gonna be putting the JTXs on it today. We're gonna save that for a later date. I'm probably just gonna hold this video until the wheels come and then post it rather than do a part 2 video, because I know that's kind of annoying. So I'll just hang on to the clips, and then whenever I get those, you'll see it in this video, hopefully. So currently we are going to be putting on a set of used wheels and tires we have in the shop. It's a set of fuels and some Toyo MTs, I think, which belong to a customer slash friend, longtime customer of mine. Shane is his name. I really appreciate him for that. I don't know, I think he said he's been watching my videos here and there, so if he sees this, thanks, Shane, you saved the day on this one. We opened up the boxes for the JTXs yesterday, and one of them looks amazing. 3 of them aren't done. So we're going to send them back to JTX. They're going to get finished up. They're making it right, hopefully, and we'll see how that goes. But for now, we're going to use those 20s and ride. But currently, the truck is sitting here at the shop. They're waiting on me to pull it in. It is a very, very in-depth install on this BDS kit. It's a coilover kit. Like I said, I've never put one on my channel before. I'm excited to show you what it is. And I'm excited to learn about it myself. So stay tuned for the video. I'm going to get out real quick and show you what the truck looks like, and then we'll get started on it. Here's our beautiful 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. It's the perfect truck to start on. I love this onyx black color on the truck. He has a matrix box in the back. I don't know if I know what this is. I'll have to look at that. Looks pretty tough. Looks really nice, actually. And I did say a minute ago that he was, I don't know if I said that he was from Georgia or not, but he's from about 30 or 45 minutes from the shop. So he's kind of a local guy. This is going to be a super cool build. I can't wait to show you guys what the coilover kit looks like. Stay tuned for the process. hope you feel better. Alright, who wants to pull them out mow it? I'll do it like that. So we're gonna be holding on to this video right here for a couple weeks until JTX gets the wheels done for us. And I hate that we have to wait, but this truck it's gonna be better when we get the wheels on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over the lift kit and stuff with it now so that I can conclude this part of the video, and then I'll add the JTX part in later. The BDS 6.5-inch coil-over conversion kit is amazing. It has the Fox 2.5 coilovers with reservoirs on it. It's really, really nice. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you the truck now. So keep in mind, this set of wheels and tires, these are only temporary wheels. These belong to a friend of mine named Shane. If you watch the channel, I really appreciate you kind of saved my butt on this one. The tires are 37 1350 20s with 20 by 10 wheels. The wheels that we're putting on the truck in a couple of weeks are JTXs. Those are 22 by 10 wheels with 37 1350 BF Goodrich tires. So the fitment should be about the same. We did do mud flap deletes on this truck from sharptruck.com. Those are the best fitting ones to me. They match the plastic a lot better from GM than the competitors. I like the rough country ones too. They're kind of slimmer and they open up the wheel well a little bit more for fitment, but they just don't fit the same, and the texture of the plastic is a little different, and it kind of bothers me. The lift kit we did, like I said, that coil-over conversion, we deleted the torsion bars off of this truck. There's your Fox reservoir, looks amazing. BDS upper control arms come with the kit. That is the beautiful cross member. They use that from the 5 to 6.5-inch lift kit. There's your skid plate from BDS with the badge on the front there. Axle angles still look good at 6.5 inches. See the coil over there? That's very strange for us to have on a GM 2500. It wasn't possible with the lower control arm from the factory, so BDS actually supplies lower and upper control arms with this kit. They are extremely beefy compared to the factory stock ones. They look really, really good on this truck. This is my first time installing this kit, and I have to say that I'm pretty amazed at it. It definitely rides different. It rides a little bit stiffer than the torsion bar to me, but it's more of a controlled ride. I don't know how to explain it. That's the kit from the back, and we did add the recoil traction bars to it from BDS. Really nice looking upgrade there. So that's everything that we did to the truck. We did a steering stabilizer that's on this lift kit too that you can't see, but it's just a small shock that you see it's up inside there. Steering stabilizers are good for keeping the steering wheel a little bit tighter. The other cool things about this truck, and I'm gonna seem a little ignorant with this because I don't know anything about it, but he did tell me to play with this and check it out. It looks like a camper top, right? It is a camper top. I just assumed that it was a normal everyday camper top, but this one does some cool things. I haven't done this yet, so if I mess this up, here we go. Apparently you just press up and the truck just Optimus Primes. If you want to buy this, just call me. I'll become a dealer. I'll do whatever I got to do, but that's really cool. It's not probably something that everybody would want, but just imagine this, having this on like a backpacking trip or a hunting trip or something like that. One tap of the button and the whole entire back of the truck comes up. And this isn't plastic either. I mean, this is thick looking, strong metal. That's so cool. I would camp in that. That's really, really cool. Big shout out to David. I'm saying that like it's the last clip of the video, but I do want to say I appreciate him. He is coming up here today to get the truck. Let me know what you think in the comments. Well, we finally have our GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate build done with the BDS 6.5-inch kit, the 22x10 JTX forged wheels, and the 37-inch BF Goodrich tires. The truck looks amazing. It turned out awesome. This has been something we started, I think we started this process back in June or July, and we came in and built the truck in November. The wheels were incorrectly finished in the box. 3 of them were not done. 1 was ready to go. We put a loaner set of wheels on the truck. The JTX finally sent the wheels out. We got them on the truck, and he is back today for the final video. It is December the 20th, I think today is the date, and he's gonna be finally done today. So they don't all go like this. This one was very problematic. I don't know why, but the lift kit was slow to get. The wheels were slow to get. Just the scheduling was hard the whole time because the holidays and it's cold and all this and all that. But we're here today. David's up in the front office waiting for me to be done, and he is back on the road. So I'm going to get out of the truck, flip the camera around, and show you what we ended up with, and let me know what you guys think in the comment. All right, so here's our beautiful truck. It is a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500. This is the Denali Ultimate. It's a nice trim package on this truck. Very, very clean. I love the gloss black. I love the Vader chrome in the front. It's a very nice truck. We've already gone over the camper top in the back, so I'm going to save you that. One more time, 6.5-inch BDS coil-over conversion lift kit right there. You have your upper control arms and your Fox coilovers right there that come in this kit. We did the 22x10 JTX Commanders in the black and milled finish with the 37 1250 22. Actually, this is the 37 1350 22 BF Goodrich HD Terrain KT. This tire is supposed to be very, very high mileage, but supposed to be very durable and just all situations. I'm a Nitto Toyo guy. David swore up and down that we should do this tire, so we did it. This is my first time. So he says they ride good. I'll have to take him at his word on that. They're a good looking tire, so hopefully they've got this one together. We did, like I said, the recoil traction bars from BDS back here in the back. Very, very nice add-on to this kit. I think the overall presentation of the truck is great. Like I said, it's been a long time coming for this one, so I'm glad that it turned out good. I'm going to put a price quote for this job after this clip so you can see what this one would cost. If you have any other questions about pricing or anything like that, just call me. My number here is 678-994-9180. We're in McDonough, Georgia at Southern Tire, and my name is Jake. And I appreciate everybody watching the channel, and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.